Chapter 9, Lesson 2, Tires and Traction. Tires are a key part of your control system. The way your tires interact with the surface of the road is essential to safe driving. Objective: explain how traction controls your car. Friction and traction. Friction is a force that acts between materials as they are moving past each other. How can you feel the force of friction? By rubbing your hands together. When tires roll over the surface of a road, they create traction. Traction makes your vehicle grip the road so you can control the speed and direction. The traction of the tires on the roadway pushes your car forward. Brakes cause the friction of the braking lining against the brakes to slow the wheels. Traction between the tires and the road will slow your vehicle. Traction also enables your vehicle to turn left or right when the wheels are turned. Objective: describe the importance of tread and proper inflation to maximize traction. Tire tread and tractions. The place where a tire touches the road is called its footprint. These pictures show the red patch under the tires that form the footprint. These small footprints are all you have for traction on the road surface. The grooved surface of a tire is called tread. Tread provides the traction for starting, stopping, and gripping the road. Tread helps prevent skids and hydroplaning. The amount of tread touching the road increases the gripping power of traction. Tire size also affects the amount of tread and traction on the road. Check the owner's manual for your vehicle for the maximum recommended size of tires. Inflation and traction. Properly inflated tires can mean the difference between keeping or losing control. Too much or too little pressure can change the amount of tread or footprint on the road. Properly inflated tires grip evenly. This tire shows how a properly inflated tire will grip the road better than an underinflated or overinflated tire. Underinflated tires, as shown in this picture, grip only at the outer edges. This picture shows an overinflated tire that grips only in the center. Underinflation. When you drive on underinflated tires, only the tire's outer edge provides traction. Why is it dangerous to drive on an underinflated tire? Overinflation. Compare the footprints of these two tires. Which tire will wear out in the center fastest? Temperature. Weather can change tire pressure. Cold weather makes tire pressure drop, and tires can become underinflated. Hot temperatures will increase pressure and may cause overinflation. Check your tire pressure regularly. Should tires be checked when they are hot or cold? Before starting to drive or after driving for a while? Objective: identify the driver's action that depends on traction and how they relate to vehicle control. Using traction. Traction is used to accelerate, brake, and steer. Your tires provide a limited amount of traction. Hard braking can consume most of the traction. Combined hard braking and steering can cause a loss of control. Imagine you are entering this curve at 55 miles per hour. As you reach the middle of the curve, you realize you are going too fast. So you quickly brake and turn the wheels sharply into the curve. What would probably happen? How could you have managed your traction to remain in control? Tire pressure. You can't tell just by looking if your tires are properly inflated. A tire that is underinflated by 40% can look just like a properly inflated tire. Objective. Identify 3 factors that can reduce traction. Ensuring good traction. 3 things are required to achieve ideal level of traction. Number 1, vehicle condition. Number 2, road surface. And number 3, driver actions. Vehicle condition. Why is a new vehicle easy to control? Why are older vehicles more likely to have reduced control systems? Tires are your lifeline to traction. What should you check regularly? If a tire is punctured, it could suffer a blowout. That's when all the air escapes at once. When shock absorbers are worn, how will this affect your tires and traction? Road condition. A dry, flat road with good tires give you excellent traction. Describe some of the road conditions that can reduce traction. What road condition could cause you to lose steering, braking, or accelerating control? Will water freeze in shaded areas and on bridges before it does in regular roads? What action can you take when road conditions are about to change? Driver's action. Your actions affect your ability to manage traction. What driver's action can consume a lot of traction? What driver's action can maximize traction? Review. What 3 actions consume traction? What steps can you take to ensure that an older car will have good traction?